Bonjour. So today I will try to explain as simply as possible the present tense of the ER verbs in French. So first of all, we are going to take a look at two ER verbs in French. Écouter et regarder. So first of all, why are they called verbs? They are called verbs because they are actions. Écouter means listen. So the action of listening, that's écouter, or in English, to listen. Regarder means to watch, the action of watching something or someone. So these two are verbs or actions. In French, they are called ER verbs because if you look the last two letters of these two words, they are ER. They end with ER. It's not always the case. Most verbs in French end with ER, but some verbs end with other stuff, or other things, okay, differently. So, how am I going to conjugate a verb? Conjugating means using the verb with I, you, he, she, we, etc. So in French, we have what we call the subject. Okay, and they are here. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. And these are always in the same order. I, you, he, she, we, you, but more than one person, so like you guys, they, masculine, and they, feminine. So if I want to conjugate a verb, it's very simple. First of all, I have to remove the ER, okay? I have to remove the ER just like that. And normally, yes, sorry, I made a mistake, but this has to be removed as well. I have to remove the ER, and I am left with something that we are going to call le radical. Okay? So what happens? Well, I can just use my radical like this. Okay? And I will use what we call then the terminaison, so the ending. Okay? And the ending is always the same. For je, as you can see, the ending is I. Tu, ES. Il, elle, E. Nous, ONS. Vous, EZ. Il, elle, ENT. And then we use the same radical for all the subjects. So the radical will move like this. Je regarde. Tu regardes, ES. Il, elle regarde. Nous regardons. Vous regardez. Et il, elle regarde. Okay? This works for any kind of verb. I can make you another example. I'm going to use donner to give. Sorry, I'm going to use donner right here to give. So I'm going to remove the ER and I'm going to be left with the radical donne. And donner is je donne, tu donnes, il, elle donne, nous donnons, vous donnez, il, elle donne. And this is how you make the present tense of regular ER verbs. Merci, au revoir.